Hello, my name is Freya Rock and I am Director of Studies for the Law Programme. Law is extremely exciting, and that's why after pursuing my undergrad degree in law at Oxford, my master's in criminology here at Cambridge and passing my bar exams, I decided to come back to Cambridge to pursue a PhD. I'm currently based in the Institute of Criminology at Cambridge, and I'm doing research in the courts with victims of crime. I also supervise undergraduate students in criminology and in criminal law. After pursuing my PhD, I plan to pursue a career as a criminal barrister, and I was offered a pupillage at a Chambers in London earlier this year. The law course involves studying several of the core areas of law, so contract law, constitutional law, tort law, which is about in what circumstances can people receive compensation when they've been injured, and also criminal law, which is my main focus. We'll ask questions such as, when can somebody be said to have caused the death of another person? So for example, if I punch somebody wanting to cause them slight injury, but they fall over and hit their head and die, can I be said to have caused their death? And what about if they go to hospital and they die because of negligent medical treatment? Did I cause them to die because I inflicted the initial injury? We'll ask these sorts of questions in criminal law, and there are similar questions in the other areas that we will also address. And it's important to note that we won't just be learning about what the law is, although that's really important. We'll also be asking about what it should be, and this involves considering aspects of philosophy and politics, as well as learning the black letter law that you see in the books. We will also touch a little bit on criminology, which is my area of study for my PhD. And this will involve asking questions about how law relates to issues in society. So what is it about our society that causes people to commit crime? And what should we do when people commit crime? Are there alternatives to imprisonment that we can use? And you'll also have the opportunity during the programme to take part in a moot. A moot is a mock court case where you will be challenged with addressing an ambiguous legal question that you will have to research by reading previous cases, construct an argument, and then present that argument in court in front of a mock judge. Now, doing moots is really challenging and some people find it nerve-wracking, but I think it's incredibly exciting, and it is actually the reason why I decided to study law as an undergraduate. So I look forward to sharing that with you. In order to make the most out of the law programme, you need to be a person with a capacity for a lot of hard work. You need to be able to read cases and to distill the information that is relevant to your question that you're answering. Also, you need an attention to detail, an interest in problem solving, and an aptitude to apply these answers to the problems to real life situations. And it's important to remember that even though studying law is an excellent way into a legal career, perhaps as a barrister or a solicitor or a legal academic, it's also something that can equip you for many other careers due to the thinking skills that you will develop as a law student. So if you are this sort of person, and if you are excited by these issues, I really look forward to meeting you in the summer and exploring them further.